Hey guys, in this video we are going to convert the decimal to binary. See, we have already discussed the binary to decimal conversion. Now we are going to do decimal to binary. That means it is nothing but base 10 to base 2 we are going to convert. Okay. So there are two cases we have to consider, two topics we have to study in this decimal to binary. So one is nothing but integer one, another one is fraction one. So integer basically we are going to divide by 2 because since it is conversion to binary, and another one is multiply by 2 since again it is conversion to binary. Okay, decimal to binary, because binary, that's why we are multiplying and dividing it by 2. So when we have to divide and when we have to multiply, so whenever you are getting integer, so whenever the decimal number is given in integer, so basic thing is that directly, suppose 25 is given, 35 is given, 312 is given, like that, direct integers. Fractions, in the sense decimal point will come. For example, suppose 1.237, like that it will come, 0.372, like that. Okay, so decimal point whenever it comes, there we are going for the multiplication. Whenever direct integers without the decimal point is there, division. So let us try to understand two cases. That is nothing but 25 we have to convert into the decimal. As I said before, the decimal point, if it is not there, then you have to remember we have to go for direct division with what, 2. Divide with 2. Divide by 2. So 25 is the number, just write it 25. Try to divide it by 2. So 2 12s are 24. 1 is the remainder, right? So how I did this? Carefully you see. 25 is my number. Divide with 2. So 2 ones are 2. 0. Bring down 5. 2 twos are 4. Remainder is 1. This is the remainder. That's what I have written over here, remainder. So I multiplied 2 with 12. I got 24, and 1 we have to add. This is the basic idea of this notation. So we have written over here. Next, we have to take 12, divide with this 12 we have to divide with 2. So it is completely divided, divisible. So it is 2 6 are 12. The remainder is 0. Again, 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. Again, 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. How I got this? 3 we are having, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. So that's what I have written over here. It's fine. See, as soon as you get 1 at the last of this thing, again you cannot divide with 2. So what you are going to do, we have to take the numbers from bottom to top. Always remember, from bottom to top. Okay, very important concept. From bottom to top, in the sense, from here we'll start, we'll go to 1, then this thing, this thing, this thing, like that. Okay, so it is 1 1 0 0 1, and put base as 10, sorry, and put base as what, 2. Done. So binary we have got. See, we have discussed the last video also. This question we took and converted into decimal, we got 25. Now we are doing 25 conversion into binary. Just to divide, and from bottom to top you have to go. So 1 1 0 0 1, not from top to bottom. Okay, this is always bottom to top in this case. See, if you are getting confused, you can do one more step here. What is that step? Is nothing but divide this 2 again, but we have to take here 0, right? Two zeros are 0. What is the remainder? 1. Like this also you can do, because see here I took 1 is inside, 2 is outside. Two zeros are 0. Okay, so remainder 1 minus 0 is 1. This remainder I have put here. Now we have got here 0. So whenever you are getting 0, that procedure is completed. So here you can do this part, or you can leave it as this thing also, because if you do this till 0, if you do, then directly from here you can write the answer 1 1 0 0 1. Otherwise also it is fine, because if you cancel this out, so let me just show you that part also. If you just cancel, see, 2 is not getting divided with 1, so directly from 1 you start, 1 1 0 0 1. The same thing you will be getting. Okay, so next part will go where we are getting what, fraction. Point has come. Very important question. Point has come. We have to convert into what, binary. How to convert it into binary? Very simple concept. Here we have to go for what, multiplication sign. So take this number 0.8125, multiply with 2, because since it is what, binary, so multiply with 2, there we divided. Okay, here we have to multiply. So when you multiply with the 2, just put it in the calculator. 1.625 we will be getting. So when you're getting 1.625, always remember, whenever the numbers are in this form, try to get it in 0 point something. 0 point something. Here we are having 1. Try to make it as 0 point something. How to make it as 0 point something? Just write, just write 0.625 and put carry as 1. Simple. What we are going to do, I am going to convert this answer into 0.625, and where is that 1 gone? 1 is gone as the carry as 1. We have taken carry as 1. Very important step. Okay. Now what happens if you don't have that thing? We'll try to understand. Now we have to take this number 0.625 multiply with again 2, will be getting what? 1.25. Now again we are having 1 here, so you have to write it as 0.25, always in 0 point form. So 0.25 and write carry as what? 1. Okay, double R, carry as what? 1. Very important concept. Now again you have to take 0.25 multiply with 2, you will be getting what? 0.5. Now since you have got 0.5, now what you are going to do? It is already 0.5, right? So just write 0.5 and write carry as 0. Very important step. Okay, very important step. Because whenever you're getting 0 point as the answer itself, write carry as 0. Very important step. Okay. Now we have to take 0.5 multiply with 2. You will be getting what? 1.0 or 1, whatever. So but you try to write it in decimal point only. Don't write 1 and come. Okay, you have to write 1.0, whatever the decimal point should come. Now since it is 1 again here, you have to write it as 0.0 and write carry as 1. Now you will be asking one doubt here is that when we have to stop this procedure. See, we have to stop this procedure here because here we have got 0.0. So whenever getting the last number as 0.0, we have to stop there. Okay, so this will be the last answer. Now how to write the answer? How to write the answer? See, before the previous case we have done bottom to top. Here we have to go from top to bottom. Top to bottom, very important. Okay, so top to bottom, by seeing what? By seeing the carry we have to write. See here, carry is 1, carry is again 1, carry is 0, carry is 1. But remember, while writing the answer, always put 0 point first, then you write top to bottom. Very important step again. 0 point first you have to write, then you write top to bottom. 1 will come, 1 will come, 0 will come, 1 will come. See, 1, 1, 0, 1. But after writing 0 point, then only you can write this numbers. Okay, then you put the as 2, base as 2. This is how we have to do the fraction thing. So what you have to do, the first step is nothing but 0.77 I'll multiply with the 2, I'll be getting the answer as 1.54. What you have to do, you have to write it as 0.54, write carry as what? 1. Then you have to take 0.54, multiply with the 2 again, you will be getting it as 1.08. Okay, carry 0.08 you have to write carry as again 1. Again 0.08 you have to take multiply with 2, you will be getting it as 0.16 itself. So 0.16 I'll write carry as what? 0. Then 0.16 I'll multiply with 2 and you will be getting it as 0.64. Again carry as what you have to write? 0. Then again 0.64 multiply with 2, you'll be getting it as 1.28. 1.28. So again 0.28 carry, again it will be 1. So here we are again getting 1 as the value. So it is again in increasing order. So here from here to here it was decreasing. then it started increasing. That means we cannot stop the procedure. So we can write the answer as an approximate value. So again from top to bottom we have to consider. So again from top to bottom we have to write. First you have to put 0 point, then from top to bottom 11001, 11001, base as 2. This will be the final answer. Now, why this question is different from other things is that because here we are having 1 point something. There it was the previous two questions it was 0 point something. So answer also was 0 point something. But when it is 1 point something, what happens to the answer? There is a question, right? So let us try to understand. Always remember we have to go for the multiplication thing. Always we have to multiply with 0.375. Always we have to take 0 point something only, whether it is given 2.375, 3.775, whatever point is given, but we have to take only 0 point that thing only. Always remember. So this is the important point I am talking about. Here the question is 1 point something. If it is 2 point also, then also you have to take 0 point. Okay. Multiply with 2, 0.75, and we know 0.75 directly we can take and write it as what? Carry 0. Now 0.75 we have to multiply with 2, you will get it as 1.5. Now it is 0.5 and you will write it as what? Carry 1. Now next one it is 0.5 and you multiply with 2, you will be getting it as 1, but write 1.0 because always points should come, and you can write it as 0.0, then again carry 0. Here we have to stop the procedure since we have got 0.0. Further we cannot multiply. Okay. Now, while writing the answer, the most important point you have to remember is that we have to write from top to bottom, that we know. But whether we have to put 0 point starting or anything else, because in the previous questions we can see we have to put 0 point something. But what about this question? Here we are going to put what? 1 point only. 1 point and then write top to bottom. So here the carry is nothing but 1. Okay. This slight mistake happened. Okay. So carry is 1. So the answer will be 1.011. So always remember that here 1 should be there. So in the previous case it was 0 point in the question. So there we wrote 0 point. But here in the question it is 1 point. So we have to write 1 point. Then put base 2. Another question arises. What happens if I write 2.375? What happens to that? This is the base 10. We have to convert into base 2. Here we are having 2. This is same as this one. So the procedure remains the same, right? Procedure will remain the same, right? Because it is 0.375. Again you have to multiply and write the answer. So this part will remain the same. That means in the answer you will be getting it as 0.011. But what about this 2? 2 what you have to write? Can we write 2 directly? No, you cannot write because this is the binary form. As I said, whenever you are writing the base binary, binary has only 2 bits. 1 or 0 you can use. You cannot use 2 as the number there. This is not decimal. This is binary. So for that purpose, what you have to do? 2 you have to convert it into what? Binary. 2 conversion binary is nothing but what? It is nothing but 1 0. How we got 1 0? 1 2 4 8 16 32, like that it goes on. What is this? What is the meaning of this? This is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Okay. So if I want 2 to be written, I'll write 1 here because I want 2 and 0 here. 1 0. If I want 4 as the answer, if I want to convert 4 to binary, I'll write 1 here and rest all right side will be 0. If I want 8, I'll write 1 here, rest all will be 0. What happens if I want 3? If I want 3, I have to combine 2 and 1 because then only I can get 3. So add 2 and 3. So it will be 1 1. If you are getting here 2, the answer will be written as what? 0.011. But instead of 2, what I am going to write is that 1 0 I'll write. then 0.011. This will be the answer. So 2 we have to convert into one binary. So next question is nothing but if I want to convert 3.375, convert this into binary. Okay, so I cannot write the answer as what? Answer I cannot write it as 3.0112 because this is not binary. This is not binary. So how to convert this 3 into binary? So basic idea here is nothing but see here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like that it will go on, right? Like that it will go on. I want 3. In this numbers I have written, there is no 3 value directly given. But you can add them, add 2, 3 numbers or 2 numbers and get 3 value. Yes, you can get 3 value. Which 2 numbers I should add? 1 and 3, 1 and 2 if I add, I'll get what? 3 value. So I need this 1. So wherever you needed that number, just put 1. I need this also. Rest numbers I don't need. On the right hand side, there is no number. So no need to put 0 or anything. So these 2 numbers I am taking 1, 1. So answer will be 11.011 binary. I cannot write the answer as 4.011 binary because this is not the binary form. Binary form, again you observe 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 4 whether it is given directly or not. Yes, it is, you can see directly here 4. So put there 1 because I needed that number 4. And right hand side any other numbers are there? Yes, 2 numbers are there. Put there 0. Not left hand side. Put there 0. Your answer will be 100.011 binary.